Hi everyone, my name is Marian, your technology friend. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while since I'm trying to focus on my primary work, but today I wanted to quickly share with you one of my latest purchases from Apple, and that is the HomePod. If you are in the Philippines and looking to purchase a HomePod, you may already know that it isn't officially available here in the Philippines. You can't buy it from Apple authorized stores like Power Mac nor at apple.com. The way I bought mine is through this store called Mobilizer. You've seen them a lot from my past videos because they sell original Apple products with one of the cheapest prices in the market. And that is no different with the HomePod. I've tried looking for a HomePod in Shopee, Lazada, or other famous online stores. They don't sell them. I've only seen smaller sellers in Facebook Marketplace and they sell it at a high price. So if you are looking to buy a HomePod at the cheapest price possible, go and message Mobilizer on Facebook. Now that I've told you how to buy the HomePod in the cheapest way possible, here are my initial thoughts. So, I've always wanted a HomePod for a long time because I have the HomePod Mini and I feel like it was lacking in sound quality. Now to be fair, HomePod Mini is 1/3 the price of the HomePod and it actually produces a balanced okay sound. But the bass is just lacking. When I heard the HomePod for the first time, I was super glad I bought it. It is a lot more expensive, but it is also a lot better in sound quality. It produces low-end bass that the Mini cannot do. It is also a lot better when it comes to dialogue, voices, or highs because they're more crystal clear. I guess this is obvious if you know the specifications of the HomePod since it has a dedicated subwoofer and tweeters, unlike the Mini where it only has one sound unit that produces all the sounds. But to keep this short, if you care a lot about music or sound quality, the HomePod is the way to go. If you don't care about sound quality and just want a louder speaker than your iPhone, then the HomePod Mini is better for you. I'm actually thinking about buying another one to have a stereo pair of HomePods, but I'm still thinking about it. Anyway, if you enjoyed, hit that like and subscribe button to follow my tech tips and purchases. Click the thanks button to donate to the channel if you appreciate the videos I make. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook with a username at Mauyoni. While waiting for my next videos, click the playlist right here to watch more of my Apple content. Alright, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Marian, your technology friend, and I'll see you on my next video.